everyone, I am Ahmet from Kukamet Toggle Clamps for Entry Department. Today, I want to show you our latch type of toggle clamps. What are latch type of toggle clamps and where are they used? Let's examine together. We have two types of latch toggle clamps. At first, U-hooked model. As you can see, we have more than 15 different types of U-hooked model. These are our standard, heavy duty, and light duty models. Usually, these U-hooked latch type of toggle clamps are used in machinery, woodworking, and all industries where coupling is done. At second, C-hooked models. These are working with the same working principle and used in same industry. The only difference is that the hook is not U-type. The hook is C-type. Let's examine their usage areas. At the same time, we produce some of these clamps locked versions. Locked system increases the security at your work with your machines, which have high volume of vibration. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been beneficial for you. See you in the next one.